Hello friends, today I would like to show you how to send photos or videos in WhatsApp that can be opened and viewed only once. Let's have a look and subscribe my channel for latest tech info. Hope your WhatsApp is up to date with the latest version. If not, you can simply update your WhatsApp from the Play Store or App Store. Now open WhatsApp on your device. Open a chat where you want to send view once photos and videos. Tap on the attachment icon beside camera icon. Now select camera or gallery to pick a photo or video. Select a photo from the photo gallery. Then on the preview window, tap on the view once icon on the right corner of the text box. Send photos and videos that can only be viewed once. Tap on OK. Once the view once icon is activated, tap on the send button to send view once photo. The recipient will receive the sent media as view once. Tap on the view once photo. When the recipient opens the media file, the text photo in sender side will automatically change to opened. So these are the steps to send photos with view once feature. That's it. Thank you for watching.